Magluluto ako ng pork belly na adobo with 7-Up. Asin, paminta, sibuyas at bawang. Tuyo, suka, daon ng laurel, Seven Up. Hanggang sa lumambot. Ito yung special ko na nilalagay. Pampasarap. Parang kwanto. Beef broth. Lagyan natin. Yun. Hanggang sa lumambot. Siguro mga 45 minutes or 1 hour. Simpleng adobo with 7-Up. Patutuyuin ko pa. So ganito lang ang another style ng pagluto ng adobo. So ang gagawin ko mamaya, ihiwalay ko tong laman sa taba para makakain ng gusto si Sophia. Kasi ayaw ni Sophia yung taba. Ako naman gusto ko yung taba. Yan. Another 15 minutes. Yun na. Okay na to. Tapos idadagdag natin to. Yun. Yun. Yan. So ito ang aking another version ng adobong baboy pork belly with 7-Up. Naglalabasan yung mantika.
Amen.
Welcome back! Dito na po si Sophia. At ang kanyang ulam ay pinatuyong adobong baboy na with the 7-Up. Yeah. What can you say? You like it? Adobong pork belly. Pero ang ginawa ko, tinanggal ko yung, I removed the fat from your meat because I know you don't like fat. Ayan.
Thank you, Dad.
Adobo. So, school, baby?
Yeah, but nothing new.
Nothing new? So, because Sophia, Hannah, and Milan, Helen, they plan to go back to the skiing. When is that, baby?
Maybe on Saturday.
But I think we're going to different place, right? In skiing? Not the same place that you've been? But do you think it's a different place?
But I like mine when I went skiing with my school because there were like maybe five hills that you could go into. There were like levels.
Yeah. Sarap yung adobong pinatuyo, no? Tapos yung kanin is jasmine rice. The rice is jasmine. Also Sophia's favorite rice. Jasmine rice. Kanin pa more. Yeah. What's the news in the school?
No news.
Did you talk about your skiing?
Uh-huh.
What did they say?
Nothing that. Like my teacher or my classmate.
Your classmate.
No,
Because not all of them attended the skiing club. Is it club, right?
You want fun?
Mm-hmm.
Sissy can have this.
No. Okay.
Not fun.
Hmm? Yeah. I like the egg as well.
Mm.
You want more meat?
Mm-mm.
Hmm? Not fat.
Thank you, Ty.
Hmm? I give you the non-fat meat. Yan. Then tomorrow is Mel's birthday tomorrow. So Mel, advance happy birthday ah. Tomorrow I'll be there. Yan sa aking kaibigan si Mel. Shout out sa iyo Mel. Yan. So, si Mel ay may channel, YouTube channel. Nag-start siya ng YouTube channel. Please subscribe to Mel's YouTube channel. Kaya lang minsan bihira lang siya mag-upload. Busy sa trabaho. Abot ah. Yun lang.
I know, but I find it.
But the thing, yeah.
I know, but I just find it so gross. Just with fingers.
That's it. So what's your dessert?
I don't know. I don't have anything.
No, ice cream. You
Okay.
still have a lot of ice cream.
Oh, it's gone.
Gone? No. Just like Tita Helen freezer. I put it there.
Really?
Yeah.
My mommy said that she took the last one in the freezer.
I put 3 there. Mommy took only 1. You have to find it there.
Okay.
Down.
And if you want, you can have my egg that I
Okay.
can wash my hands now. Thank you, Dai.
You're welcome. So that's it. So araw-araw yon. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Talaga niluluto ako sa kanya. Wednesday lang siya na nanghalian sa school. Yeah. I'm running. We're gonna miss our bus. Yeah. Whew. I don't think I'm gonna catch my bus. Go, Pinkay. Huh? 4 minutes? maybe we're gonna miss the bus and then we're gonna wait for another 1 hour. And then you're gonna be late when you're swimming. So, yeah. Pag-attend ako ng check class. Si Sophia naman, papunta ng kanyang swimming. Kaya lang na-confuse kami sa bus schedule. Then we realize, ngayon na. So, naghahabol kami ng bus. 10 minutes. Andiyan yung bus. Pero naglalakad pa lang kami. Sana maabutan. Nasa bus stop na kami. Nahabol namin. Wala pa yung bus dito. At least, safe na. Okay. Nahabol. Bababa na ito si Sophia at maglalakad yun siya papunta ng kanyang swimming pool. 2 minutes lang, andyan lang sa kabilang building ng kanyang swimming club. Yan siya. Ang bagal niyang lumakad doon. Yan, mag-attend kami ng check lesson. Mukhang tatatlo lang kami si Len, saka si Mel, saka ako. Yung nakaraan, 4. Okay lang yun. Yun na pala yung isa naming classmate. Inihatid ng kanyang husband na check. Si Princess, yung Pinay. Yung asawa nun is check. Police. You know, kakapark pa lang nila. Yan. Okay. Lamig. Parang tinatamad ako mag-attend ng check lesson. Pero talagang kailangan mong matuto eh. Si Princess, hello. Hi. Yan.
Tayo lang 4?
Malamang. Tayo lang 4, malamang. Oh. Yan. Yung asawa ni Princess umalis na. Iniwan na si Princess. Pipick upin yan siya mamaya. Di pa nagbubukas. Mukhang sarado pa. Yan o. 4 nga lang kami ulit. Si Princess, si Len, si Mel, ako.
Study check again.
Yan. Wala pa yung teacher.
Picture kuya, picture.
Picture.
Ito.
Picture, okay na yun. Picture. 4, mga...
Kunwari nag-aaral tayo.
Oh.
Pag-review.
Nag-aaral man din. Puro absent nga lang. Absent na yung makasama. Wala pa kami absent with Princess.
Matira matibay ito.
Matira matibay.
Survival of the fittest.
Ako onti
Wala
lang.
kang absent, pero walang natutunan.
Ako onti lang.
Yan, 4 lang talaga kami. Natapos na yung check lesson namin. 4 lang kami. Walang ibang dumating. Oh. Nihintay lang namin yung sundo ni Princess dito kasi yung asawa niya. Lispo yun, lispo. O, lispo yun dito.
Walang pera.
Hindi, kasi mapulis dito mga honest. Hindi mga, walang dito, walang extortion.
Wala ganito dyan.
Oh, kaya mabait yung asawa ni Princess. Pulis yun eh.
Normal mo lang siyang nakakausap. Parang
So, nag-aantay lang kami kasi ayaw naming iwan. Kasi pag iniwan namin siya, mag-isa lang siya rito. So, yan.
Yeah, isang daddy.
Tawagan mo na. Yan, tawagan mo na para sabihin mo tapos na yung klase namin. Perfect exam.
exam na
Okay. Yun, yan siya?
Basta tayo.
Bye. Pwede na tayo maglakad ng Christian Mel.